Hey everyone, welcome back to Print Drive. Today, we got a little problem. My old car phone mount finally gave up on life. Instead of buying a new one, you know the drill, we're going to 3D print it. Let's see if we can fix this with a fresh print on the Bambu Lab P1S. So first things first, I head over to MakerWorld. This site is packed with awesome community models. Let's grab the file and toss it straight into OrcaSlicer. Everything looks good, so let's hit that send magical button. And there it goes, my Bambu Lab P1S doing its thing, layer by layer, slowly bringing this phone holder to life. Seriously, I never get tired of watching this machine at work. All right, print's done. Let's peel it off the plate. Oh, that came off clean. First inspection looks solid. No warping, no weird blobs. Nice. Now for a little post-processing. Gotta snap off the support material and clean up the edges. Always the most satisfying part, seeing the real shape come through. Time for the real test. I unscrew two little bolts that hold the dashboard trim, slide the holder right in place, and tighten it down. And wow, that's snug. It feels like it was made for this car. And here it is, the finished install phone holder ready for action. Phone sits perfectly, no wobbles, super solid. Mission accomplished. If you enjoyed this print, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more Print Drive projects. See you in the next one.